is Robin and this is my closet. I'm just coming off a ton of vacation and traveling and everything, and I'm catching up on all my videos. So I wanted to let you know that my giveaway that I did for the month of August will probably be posted on Friday and Saturday. So keep an eye out for it so that you know who the winners are. And today's unboxing is going to be my Singleswag. I have canceled this box more than I have ordered this box. I liked it, but I was just running out of room for all the great products that they put in there. So I'm going to have to check and see if I canceled it or not. I'm so confused with this, but it's such a great box that I don't mind getting it. And I will leave a coupon code below because I think you can get like 10, 20, or 30% off your first box. I don't know. When I post the video, I'll do some investigating and put it on there. But it is a fantastic box. So this must be the box for September. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like the video. And if you're returning or you just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate it. And I will have another giveaway coming up shortly. So let's get into the box. I want to say it's like $29.99 and then they add shipping, so it comes to about $35. But again, if you haven't tried this, they have great coupons for like 30% off. And even if you don't use my link, I don't even know if I get credit for it. I've never checked on it, but I just want to share the wealth. So let's get into it. It comes nicely packaged, and on the top it says Singleswag win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag @Singleswag. We pick a winner each month. Oh, so that's nice. And I think the items are on the back, so I'm not going to peek. And the first thing in the box, okay, how do you diet when you get these great goodies in there? I was going to give the keto diet a try. I've been doing some checking into it, and I know a lot of YouTubers post pictures. They've tried it. It works. They post recipes. So I do have to lose a little bit of the vacation weight and the Washington weight. So I was going to try it. But these I love to put in my coffee. I'm not going to open them and be tempted, but this is really nice to have in a subscription box. The next thing is Sea Minerals Relax, and I think we got a body scrub or shower scrub by them in one of our boxes. It's Renewing Body Butter. Let's see if it's all wrapped up. Oh, it's got so I'm not going to open it, but I know they make a great product. And the Velvet Luxurious Facial Jade Crystal Roller, dual-sided for optimal results. I'm not going to open this because I think I have like 3 of them. For a while there, we were getting them in every subscription box that we got. So I'm very well stacked up. So I'm not going to keep it, but it's really a very nice item. The next thing is by Eddie by Los Angeles to California, and it feels like a jewelry item, and they do put some nice pieces in their box. So I hope you guys are enjoying your back to schools, back to work, the weather changing. I know out in Washington here, we were on, I guess it's called the West Side and by Ocean Shores, and it was just raining cats and dogs. Not doing that on the East Side, but I'm sure it's coming. So this is what the necklace looks like, and I am going to attempt to take it out and put it on. I like silver better than gold, but I'm not opposed to wearing gold. And let me see if I can get this out. Okay, I don't know with this orange shirt that I have on if you can see the necklace, but it fits very nice. And it actually, with this style top, would be nice, but not with this color pattern. So that's the necklace. And the next thing is multifunctional soap sponge charcoal. Gentle, mild, and vigorous. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. I'm not going to open it because it feels kind of squishy, so I don't know if it's something that's going to get all over, but I'll read about it when I do the recap. And I think there's two more items. A headband. I'm definitely not going to open this because I don't have a use for this right now, so I will probably gift that. And the last thing is mauve. So if you saw my Fashionista, the box, I made a comment that Robin loves mauves. So this is just so perfect that I got another mauve. Of course, whipping the box open. Oh my goodness, what a pretty packaging. Can you see that? Don't want to ruin it. That is the color. I don't want to swatch it because some of these are impossible to take off. But that's that. And let's do the recap. Do I think this is one of their best box? No. I've gotten some really fun and terrific items, but it was a great box as far as the value. I definitely think it's worth the value. So there's the Velvet Cosmetics by Zoe Facial Jade Crystal Roller, and they say it retails for $65. Not too sure. Molly Jacob Deep Moisturizing Lipstick, they say it retails for $22. I can believe that. Lipsticks are definitely in the 20s and even 30s now. The Pyroline Dark Chocolate Cream Filled Wafers retails for $5. The Etika, that New Feeling Layered Necklace, the one I'm wearing, they're saying that this retails for $75. I don't think I would go into a store or online and pay $75 for this, but it is a really nice accessory piece. The Manicadar Body Butter, is that what this was by? Sorry, I just saw the Relax. I guess it's by them. Oh yeah, there it is. And they've been in a lot of boxes. Retails for $24. The Headbands of Hope, they donate money to a child with cancer, so we love that. That retails for $18. And the Daily Concepts Multifunctional Soap Sponge and Charcoal is $10. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. This mild exfoliating multifunctional soap sponge is infused with detoxifying charcoal designed to purge skin of the impurities, excuse me, and elevate the overall texture of skin. So I guess you use it on your face. Maybe you can use it on your body. Never seen one of these before, but I'm definitely going to give it a try. The retail value of this box is $219. Do I feel that it's worth $219? No, because who in their right mind is going to pay $75 for the necklace? But is it worth the $29.95 for the box? I think so. So let me know what you think. Oh, here you go. If you want to sign up for it, it doesn't say how much you guys get off, but I will check on that. As I said, I never check on my referrals. So please don't forget to like the video, comment, and as always, you guys have an awesome day.